Hey Pro Bono crew, Claire Desira. I wanted to bring you a 2-minute tip today with 4 words that can really make a world of difference to your brain and body right now. We're living in such unusual and strange times, and at the best of times, our brain has this little part, a little voice that is actually telling us to look out for worries and troubles and things that are going wrong. It's actually trying to protect us by doing that. But as you can imagine, right now, when there's a lot to be worried about, a lot to be concerned about, there's troubles happening everywhere in the world, that part of our brain and that little voice can be heightened almost to a yell. And so I wanted to share with you 4 words that can give that little voice a break and actually help calm your body. It's almost like practicing relaxing, but if anybody told me to just relax at the moment, I'd probably want to push them over. Now, I certainly don't condone violence, but it is a bit of a far stretch. If you're feeling uneasy or you've been impacted, your work, everybody's got a story right now of somebody very close to them that they love very much that is going through something that they've never been through before. And so just saying just relax, perhaps not helpful and a bit of a far stretch. But what I can tell you is that we can practice these small moments every single day where we can maybe not feel relaxed, but we can actually recognize that we're okay. Here's how you do it. 4 words. I'm okay right now. I'm okay right now. Maybe take a breath with it as well. Maybe flip it around and say, right now, I'm okay. Right now, I'm okay. I'd love you to write those 4 words on a post-it note, pop them on your fridge, on your computer, put them everywhere you'll see them, and practice today and tomorrow and next week, just actually recognizing that even though there might be parts of your world that are absolute chaos right now, you actually have the opportunity to just own a few moments here and there to tell yourself, right now, I'm okay. And feel it in all of your body. You're not denying that things aren't fantastic at the moment, or living in fairyland. You're actually just making a conscious choice to build new resources in your brain. Give yourself a break. Try it now. Ground your feet in. Take a deep breath and tell yourself, right now, I'm okay. This is calming the parasympathetic nervous system, and also some research done over a decade ago by Dusuk and friends actually showed that what this does, practicing relaxing like this, is actually increasing the expression of your genes that will help calm in stress, help you be more calm during stress in the future as well. So not only does it help you now, it helps in the future as well. 4 words. We're sending as much love as we can to you and your communities right now. We're all about flipping the script on mindset and resilience, and we've got loads of tools over on our website if you want to check them out. Otherwise, just try this one, 4 words. It will make a difference, we promise. Thanks so much, and we'll be back with some more tips soon.